Hey, welcome back. In this video, we are going to have a comparison between two of the most famous financial platforms, which are going to be Revolut and PayPal, and which is going to be better for you. Revolut and PayPal are both popular financial platforms, but they are going to target different audiences. So let's start by the comparison of the aspects and also the key aspects. So, talking about the fees and the costs, Revolut offers free and paid account tiers. The free account has no monthly fees, while the premium account provide higher withdrawal limits and better exchange rates. The Revolut charges a 0.5% fee on foreign exchange transactions, exceeding monthly limits, but generally offers more competitive exchange rates than PayPal. In the other hand, PayPal has no monthly fees for personal accounts, but it charges 2.9% plus 0.30 dollar per transaction for receiving payments and additional fees for currency conversion, which is going to be up to 3% above the mid market rates. The international transfers can be expensive, with a 5% transfer fee for cross border transactions. Now, let's talk about the payments and also the transfer options. So for Revolut, it is going to be supporting the multi-currency transfers in plus 28 currencies with interbank exchange rates, making it ideal for international transactions. It allows payments via debit cards, bank transfers, and Google or Apple Pay. When PayPal is going to be widely used for online transactions, offering instant payments, QR codes, and pay in three, buy now, pay later feature. However, PayPal's exchange rates and transfer fees are less favorable. Now, talking about the security and the buyer protection, which is something that we cannot get rid of because it is going to be very important. In here, Revolut offers fingerprint authentication, one touch card freezing, and proactive fraud detection. However, it does not provide the same level of purchase protection as PayPal. For the countersize, which is going to be PayPal, it has a strong buyer protection, refund policies, and advanced fraud detection. Its buyer protection covers non delivery and item disputes, making it preferable for e commerce transactions. For the global reach, it is going to be something else. Revolut is going to be great for travelers, supporting fee-free currency exchanges up to a certain limit and offering perks like airport lounge access for premium users, of course. However, it is not available in as many countries as PayPal. In the PayPal sites, it is going to be operating in plus than 200 countries, making it more accessible for international users. However, its fees for currency conversion and international payment can be high a little bit. Now, for the user experience and customer support, Revolut is going to be a app based with an intuitive UI. So the budgeting tools and instant in-app transfers are going to be very easy and also user friendly. It offers a 24/7 chat support but lacks phone support for standard users. For the PayPal, it provides access via web and also mobile apps with phones, emails, and chat support. However, wait times for customer support can be long. In my own experience, it is not going to be that long, but it is going to be the process which is going to be longer. In conclusion, which app will you choose or which platform will you use? If you are going to choose Revolut, that means that you are going to need to travel frequently with the need of multi currency support or want a better exchange rates. If you are going to choose PayPal, that means that you're going to be an online shopper often, and also you need a buyer's protection, or you are going to require global payment acceptance. That means that it is going to be something that you're going to generalize into the app of PayPal or the platform of PayPal for money management. That was pretty much it for today's video. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.